Hi, welcome to this Pin Publish It Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan for a WordPress website using the WordPress Toolkit in Plesk. So let's get started. I'm already logged into my Plesk environment. Currently, I have a few sites set up here, as you can see, but only a couple of them are WordPress websites, and I just installed a brand new one, and that you can see here at test.pinpubtutorials.com. However, if you go to the WordPress sidebar link here, it's only showing two, which is PinPub Tutorials and staging.pinpubtutorials.com, but it is not showing the newly created test.pinpubtutorials WordPress website. With the WordPress Toolkit, I can simply hit scan, and it's going to scan my whole environment, everything that I have, all the files that I have here on my Plesk control panel, and it's going to see if it can find any WordPress website that is installed. And there it is. Now, the reasons why you would want to scan your environment with the WordPress Toolkit in Plesk for WordPress websites is because you get to take advantage of the WordPress Toolkit features, and makes your life easier. For instance, instead of installing a plugin for caching, you can just enable this here, and the WordPress Toolkit will take care of the caching. If you want to check the security status of your WordPress install, you can just run this security status checker built into the WordPress Toolkit, and then you'll see how easy it is. These are all recommendations to keep your WordPress website secure. You can read all of these. For now, I'm just going to hit secure everything to show you this cool feature in the WordPress Toolkit. And once it does this, it's gonna, there it is. Now my site is secure according to guidelines by WordPress. So there it is, and you can see that the secure status turned to green, and it's secure. So you can also update plugins through here. You can install plugins, but that's one of the main reasons why you would want to scan your environment if you have WordPress websites there. And again, I'll show you quickly the file setup. So I have test.pinpubtutorials. I simply installed WordPress on here, and then I use the toolkit to scan for it so that I could take advantage of the features. And that is how to scan in Plesk using the WordPress Toolkit to find WordPress websites on your environment to take advantage of the WordPress Toolkit features. Hope this video has been beneficial. Learn more about our company and the services and products we offer at pinpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook and Twitter, we'd appreciate a like and a follow on our pages. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, and until next time.